All right, how's everybody doing? I'm gonna try to make this pretty quick this month. Let's dig right in. Number of for sale properties from 2,296 to 2,305. So pretty much flat, right? Not really a big deal there. New listings, here's kind of a bright spot, right? Down from 572 to 521. Overall sales from 369 down to 337. So unfortunately, an 8.7% drop off there in the amount of closed sales year over year. You know, I've been saying for a few months, I feel like the market is slowing, and I think each time that we kind of do these slides, we're seeing this. The year over year tends to kind of be heading on the downward. So again, as I always caution, it also depends where you are in the market. If you're on that single family lower end price point, forget it. Those are just flying off the shelf. Mid and higher end stuff, you know, the higher you get, the slower it goes. So especially if you're talking about a condo product. So anyways, let's just kind of breeze right through the average price per square foot. 322 this time last year, 325. You know, look, we've been saying this. When you look at the whole year for price per square foot, it's pretty level, right? I mean, there's dips here and there, but for the most part, we're pretty leveled out. So if you've been watching me for a long time, you know, I just tell you, take a look at this as kind of a yardstick, use it as gauge, but don't put a whole lot of stock in it. And the same goes for median pricing. Take a look here from 302 up to 344. But again, you look over the course of the year, it's pretty range bound. And you know, as a reminder, a couple of high dollar sales can throw that median price way up. So again, just something to kind of keep in mind. This is a little bit interesting. So, you know, I've been talking to people about the importance of pricing something right when you get it onto the market, because right now you really have to be pretty competitive. You know, again, depending where you are in a price point and how quickly things are selling in that price point. But if you miss the mark and you end up having to sit on the market for a while, you're going to see exactly what happens here, which is that 88 days, right? Or excuse me, 88% of listing price. So July of 2019, on average, things are selling for 88% of original list price. This doesn't mean the list price at the time of the sale. This just takes the original list price. So somebody could have done 4 or 5 price reductions, and then here we are, and you sell at 88% of your original list price. We were at 92% this time last year. The closer you are to list price, the more competitive the market. You know, it's just a sign that things are selling close to list. It means we're probably in a pretty strong seller's market. Right now, you know, a lot of signs are pointing to more of a buyer's market. In the days on market, again, we went from 91 days on market up to 99 days on market. So if you're a seller, if you're a buyer, just a couple of things to be aware from. Buyers, I think things are becoming more and more favorable for you. Can't caution enough. Depends where you are. Single family, low priced home. Sellers are in control, not buyers. But anyways, just kind of something to note here. Last one we're going to look at, months of inventory. There we are, from 6.2 to 6.8. You know, look, we look for 6 months for favoring neither buyers nor sellers. More than 6 months favor buyers, less than 6 months favor sellers. So I think kind of all the data again and again that we keep looking at says buyers are getting a bit of an edge, and just something to know when you're listing your property or if you're looking for one. Last thing I really want to tell you guys, and sorry I'm making this one so short and sweet, but got a lot to do this week and not a whole lot of new data to give you. But I do have a duplex coming up in Middle River Terrace. If you're interested in multifamily property, email me. It's not going on the market until next week, but if you have any questions about the property or any other property, or if you're interested in buying or selling, please give me a call. Shoot me an email. I hope all is well. Hope everybody has a great month. And maybe I'll give you a little bit more of a deep dive next month. Take care, everyone.